Welcome. So this is the second video I'm doing on division. So what we did last time, we did a division and we ended up with a remainder of a whole number. Now if we were working with money, we might want to know what it is to decimal places so that we can find out the pence. So rather than just the pounds, and then we've got so many pounds left over, how much it shares out into pence. So I'll give you an example. A lot of people don't like the decimal point. They can feel quite anxious about it or just don't understand what it is. But if we do it with money, I think it'll help you to understand. So we'll have a go at that. So supposing we had 568, let's call it pounds, and we're going to divide it by 5. Okay, so it's 5s into 568. Now because it's money, we can put a decimal point and we can put 2 zeros. That actually does look like money, doesn't it? So we can use it that way. I'm just going to do my 5 times table down here because we will need that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Hopefully we won't need any more than that. So we say 5s into 5. That'll go once, so we can put 1. Nothing left over. 5s into 6, that goes once, and we have 1 left over. So when we have 1 left over, we have to carry it into the next column, and it becomes like a 10 in that column. So that's 5s now into 18. 5s into 18, we've got 15 and we've got 20. 20 is too much, so it's 15. So it's 1, 2, 3 times. So that goes 3 times. And what have we got left over? We had 18, we've used 15, so we have 3 left over. So that just hops across the decimal point onto the 0. But we can't forget about the decimal point. So we put it on the line above, everything's lined up, and then it's going to be in the right place in our answer. We now say 5 into 30. So where's 30? 30 is there, it goes exactly. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 5 into 0 doesn't go at all, so we can just put a 0. There's nothing left over, and that's our answer. We've got £113.60. So that's how we do it with decimals. People get confused because if we did it with a remainder, let's just try it with a remainder. I'll do it in a different colour. We do 5s into 5, 6, 8. No pence this time because we're looking at whole pounds. 5 into 5 goes 1. 5 into 6 goes 1, remainder 1. 5 into 18, as above, goes 3 times, and we just put remainder 3. Okay, so that's how we do it without the decimal, and that's how we do it with the decimal. We can change how many zeros we put here. We can put different numbers of zeros. You can always, when you're doing one, you can always put your own zeros in. Just remember, you keep your decimal point lined up and your answer will be fine. Okay, so that's just how we do it with the decimal point.